all, it's Jolene here. I thought it would be fun today to make a YouTube thumbnail with you. So what I'm going to do is just take you through a really quick process of how I did it. So first of all, I'm going to play this little video up here. And in this video, I've just taken my camera. I've recorded the screen. I've opened up my camera roll and I've taken a picture of myself. And then I've opened up Canva and I've loaded that picture into Canva. And I did that right on the app on my phone. And then just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to show you how to do this on the computer so that I can actually record the process and walk you through it here on a much bigger screen so it's easier to understand. Okay, so what I did is basically take an image of myself that I want to pull into a YouTube thumbnail. And now I've come into Canva and I'm going to create the design. Now, you should be able to do this on the free Canva account. If you want to sign up for a bigger monthly plan with Canva, I will put a link here. I'm an affiliate for Canva, and if you sign up through my link, you get, I don't know what you get, maybe a free design or something. Anyway, it's not much, but the link is there. Go ahead and get started. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we've opened up Canva, and I'm going to create a design. And right when I come in here to create a design, because I've searched for this so many times, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail. And if this doesn't come up on your screen, all you need to do is when you come and open up Canva is you just need to search YouTube thumbnail and a whole bunch of templates will come up for you to use. So click on the YouTube thumbnail and then this is where we're going to start designing. Here are some recently used thumbnails that I have used here on the side. And I could use those templates as well, but I'm going to start something else here. And I'm going to try use 5 words to describe. So this is, you can, here's one here. You create a YouTube thumbnail for home decor, but I'm going to use training video thumbnail. And see what pops up from there. Okay, so we've got a few here. And we're just going to pull one in. It doesn't matter which one you use. You can use whichever one you want, and then you can alter it to your brand colors and all that kind of fun stuff. But just to make it simple, I'm going to pull in one that I like. And I like to use the ones that have the crowns on them, which are the paid plan Canva templates. And the reason I like to do that is because I pay for my Canva account and I want to get the most out of it. And I don't want to just use the same thumbnails that everybody else is using on YouTube with their free accounts. I've gone ahead and paid for the account, so I want to get the most out of it that I can. Okay, so here's one that I can use here. It's a breaking announcement video. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to change everything on this thumbnail to suit what I want to do with it. So first of all, I'm going to click on this guy. I'm going to highlight him. I'm going to get him the heck out of here. And then I'm going to go to uploads and you'll be able to see the upload that I just uploaded on my phone is appearing here. I did a couple of them ahead of time just so I could practice making the video and pick which one I like better. And I think it's going to be this one here on the right because I like the lighting in it better now that I'm seeing it over here. It just looks like my face is a little bit brighter in this one. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we want all of this background stuff to be disappearing. And this is where you will need a paid account. When you click on the picture here, and I only want my face to appear, this is how we do it. We're going to edit the photo. And once we pull this up, you're going to see here on the left-hand side is a BG remover, which it stands for background remover. So we're only removing the background for this image. The highlighted image. The nice thing about Canva is it allows you to edit elements separately. And so we're just going to let it do its thinky thing there. And in a second here, it's going to have just my face there. And now you can see just my face. So I'm going to take out this wow. I don't need it there. I don't need this part here. And I'm going to start changing the colors in here. And I'm going to change them to, I'm going to do green this time because I always love, am I going to do green? Why don't I do a gradient? There's a nice gradient here. Okay, so we've still got me up in the corner. We've got these little highlighted design elements down here. And this is where I'm going to start changing some stuff. Okay, so breaking announcement. And my announcement for this video is, once again, Etsy is changing the rules. So I'm going to put Etsy blocks emails. How do we put that? Etsy blocks email subs. Okay, I do want a call to action on this thumbnail, so I'm going to keep the subscribe here. And I am going to put my business name down here, which is homestitcherydecor.com. And I do sell modern farmhouse home decor. If anybody's interested in looking at it, that's why my business is called Home Stitchery Decor. I started the YouTube channel mostly to sell my modern farmhouse home decor and teach how to do crafty stuff. But as it turns out, a whole bunch of people really want to learn how to do the business stuff, and I'm here to teach that as well. And it turns out it's kind of fun. So this is where we're at. Okay, so breaking announcement. I really want this Etsy thing to be much larger than it is, so I'm going to make it the highlight. Breaking announcement. I'm going to make Etsy even bigger here. Etsy blocks email subs. And I might even move this other portion here and just delete that for now and put another text box in and make it come over here. And I'm going to change the color on it. And if you slow down the video, you can see exactly what I'm clicking on to make all this stuff appear. And the add a heading is now going to say Etsy blocks email collection. Email, how do we say that? Etsy blocks email. I'm going to have to come up with a different word for that. But anyway, okay, let's just say that it blocks email. It is collections. I'm going to say that. Collection. Blocks email collections. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here is, I don't like these little red blocks, so I'm going to try to get them out of the way. I'm going to put them down here. And delete this guy up here. And now I'm going to move all of these so that there's a little bit more room. And as you can see, you can just drag and pull each element as you're going here. And I know that on my channel, there's a lot of people that are new to this stuff. So if this is, you know, a little bit below your standard of education, find a different YouTube channel, because I'm here for makers and people that want to learn. And maybe this isn't your thing, so just go ahead and move along. But a lot of people don't know how to do this yet, so I'm going to teach them how to do it. Okay, now this one here, I want my email all on one line. I don't want it, you know, overlapping in any way. Okay, so now we've got our picture and we've got the subscribe, breaking announcement, Etsy blocks, email collections, and I want to add a call to action on here beyond subscribe, which is to start a Shopify store. So in my uploads, which I have already done a long time ago, it should be here in my, maybe in my branding. Nope, it's not. I should have a Shopify icon here somewhere, which I will just quickly look for. And if I don't have it there, you can upload any picture that you want. And I know that I do have it in my picture folders. So just go ahead and pull it up here quickly. There we go. We've got a Shopify icon. Going to pull this sucker in. And where could I put this here so it actually stands out? I'm going to put these stars up here. And then I'm going to look for an element that says win, because I want Shopify to be the win. I'm going to look it up in elements, I guess, because that's the wrong place to look for it. And I'm going to use this trophy here. And you know what? I don't even need my website on this one. I just don't even need it. I'm going to move subscribe down to this bottom corner. And the reason that that just disappeared is because of the positioning of it. So I just selected position and then I moved forward. So I have the red dot there. And now I'm going to come back to text and I'm going to say add a little text box. And I don't even know where it is because it's being blocked by colors. Oh, here it is. Add a little text box. We'll delete this one. Switch to Shopify. And I'm going to make this font a lot bigger. All right, there we go. If you don't like any of these colors, you can go ahead and switch them. But I like big, bold colors for my thumbnails. And this is the breaking announcement of the day. And then another thing I guess we could do here is I don't really like the subscribe because it's getting hidden. So I could actually move that red bar. And again, it's going to disappear, but grab your position here and bring it forward. Now it's back. And now we can go ahead and move my face or move the black scrolly dots in behind and get me up into the corner here. And now we can see everything. So we've got breaking announcement, we've got Etsy blocks, email collections, switch to Shopify, we've got subscribe to the channel, we've got my face on it. People will start to listen to you when they know, like, and trust you. So introduce yourself. I want to tell you guys, I had crippling anxiety when I was much younger. Crippling. So for me to come on and do a YouTube channel was, you know, cold sweats. Oh my goodness, how am I going to do this? And then once I just ripped that Band-Aid off and got on here and got doing it, I did get some subscribers. I did get some support from the audience, and it's really not that bad. So if you're thinking you want to start a YouTube channel, I highly recommend do it in 2024. It's the best way to grow your business. And the second way to grow your business is to own your own email list. And to go along with this thumbnail, I have a YouTube video today talking about what Etsy is doing once again and how to sign up for Shopify. I will put a link in the video here to sign yourself up for Shopify. Get started with it today. They've got 3 months on select plans for $1. I am an affiliate for Shopify. I make no bones about it. And then I have a bunch of training videos on here for how to use Tailwind, which will help you market your Shopify store. So go ahead and watch those tutorials, because when you pair with what is in this video with what is in those other videos, you are going to have just an easier learning curve. So I don't want to put all the information in one video. People will be bored to tears. Go and learn step by step. Start today, get on it, and here is how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Have a great day, everyone, and we will see you in the next video.